Hi there, I'm Lara from 5 out of 4 Patterns and welcome to Sewing School. Today we are talking to Rachelle, one of our designers at 5 out of 4 Patterns, about a Henley-Style neckband. She's going to be showing us a little tip as to how to complete a Henley-Style neckband. Let's jump right in and get started.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to attach a Henley neckband in the easiest way possible. You see on here you have the curve. This is the raw edge here, and this is the seam allowance right here. Now, I went ahead and marked my seam allowance across the curve, so it makes it a little easier to know where to sew. So we're going to start, I hope you can see this here. I'm going to line up the very corner of my back with the edge of the neckband. I'm going to pin right at that very corner. I hope you can see this okay. So you can see that the seam allowance is lined up to the back edge of your top, or if you were doing a Henley with a front placket, it would line up on that. I'm going to put another pin in right here at the corner of the neckband. Now, because I have a straight edge on my shirt and a curve on my neckband, this is where it can get a little bit tricky. Try and show you what I'm doing here. I am easing that curve right into the straight neckband. So I'll put another pin here, and another pin here. It's good to pin often. It helps to keep things all in place. And then I will put another pin here at the very end of the curve. So there you go. You can see that the whole thing is pinned and eased in along that curve. Now I'm going to baste this really quick. Hold on. Okay, so you can see that I basted right along where my seam allowance line that I marked was. So take out my... Yes, I know you're not supposed to sew with pins in, but I don't always play by the rules. So then when you flip your neckband up, you're going to get that nice point right there. Then when you go to attach the rest of your neckband and you press it and top stitch it, it will come down to a nice curve right there at the back. If you are making the Roxanne and you have your back placket, mine does not have the back placket on it yet. I am only doing this for demo purposes.
Thanks, Rachelle. I can't wait to finish the neckband on my next Roxanne tunic. We'll see you next time on Sewing School. Bye.